Look this question. Most people can't solve this question in their heads. If you are able to handle this question in your heads or brain, you are most intelligent person. Let us solve this question. This question can actually be solved by obeying PEMDAS parenthesis, mean bracket, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So follow this rule to handle this question correctly. Okay, most people just solve it in this manner that 7 minus 7 they will get 0 divided by, here is 9 and it is 18. So 0 divided by 162, 0 by anything, they will get 0. But remember that 0 is not correct answer. If 0 is not correct, we have to handle this question according to this rule, which is known as PEMDAS rule. Parentheses mean bracket. So first step is to handle this question is parentheses, which is 20 minus 2. After parentheses, we will have exponent. Exponent is called power. Here you are looking no power involved, so exponent is missing. Multiplication is there, yes, here is multiplication. Division is also there, addition and then subtraction. So follow this order to get this question correctly. Let us solve it. 7 minus 7 divided by 9 and it is parenthesis, it is 18. Now we have, it is confirmed that division and multiplication are solved before this subtraction because subtraction will be our last step. Now question arises whether we have to divide first or multiply first. PEMDAS told us that if division and multiplication are involved in a question, we have to move from left to right. Here division is at left, it will be performed first, then multiplication. So 7 will be as it is. This portion will be written in this form 7 over 9 and here it is 18. Now it has become more simple. 9 is cancelled with 18, here we will get 2. Why this cancellation occurs? Because here is multiplication and multiplication has priority over this subtraction. So 7 will be as it is, minus it is 7 and here we got 2. Okay, now don't solve this subtraction before this multiplication because multiplication has higher priority. So 7 minus, it will become 14. Finally we will get minus 7, which is our answer for this question. Thank you.